Hi, I'm Shayna with 2P Studios, and in today's video, I want to show you how to onboard a client using Rella. So first, we are going to create a social space. I'm going to go ahead and rename it. I have a client, Intuition Teas. You can change the different colors for the social platforms if you'd like. And then I'm going to go here and connect her social platform. So it's going to require me to log into Facebook, and then I need to find the proper account. Perfect. And now it's connected. And there you have it. That is how you onboard a new client and connect their profile. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. If you'd like to learn more information about Rella and the services they offer, I'll go ahead and attach my affiliate link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.